Hello everybody, I'm going to give you the quick lowdown on my beetle colony setup. And I have to say that I found a couple of guys on YouTube that I borrowed their design and it works fabulous. So I suggest you just go look up beetle colony on YouTube and those guys will take you through the whole setup. But I'll quickly show you mine. So right here I put this is a freezer. I just got a cheap one that wasn't working anymore. Put some plexiglass in here. And I covered it all with this aluminum or steel or whatever tape that is. Over here I have a temperature control sensor. I have it screwed in there, and right here there's a fan. It's a computer fan is what I used. And on this side is a humidistat. It keeps track of the humidity. So and it is attached to a fan that will pump the air out when it's too humid. And on the back here, I put a switch for a light. And it could go regular light or a blue light because the beetles don't like light. So on the inside, I just put a reptile heater right here, and it's an aquarium light I put right there. And I drilled holes through here, but that was too big of an opening. It would get too dry or too cold in here, so I shut this out. And actually, I do not use this fan for the temperature control at all. This, I also drilled a hole, but I also covered most of it up. This is for the humidistat. This is the only fan that I use, and it will blow air, will go in, and I haven't had any problems with any kind of weird control or anything. Down there, I keep a sponge, and I got these little things from the dollar store, and I cut, oops, one's all weird. I took a file and I filed these down so that the beetles can get into it, but I keep a sponge in here and I keep it damp. Spray it. So right now they have an elk head in there. The sensors, the humidistat, and the temperature controller are right there. And I put a piece of tape, that metal tape, all the way around because the beetles can't climb past that. But if you keep the temperature right, they like 85 degrees at 50% humidity, and they don't fly as long as you keep the temperature down below 85. And they're happy. They are eating the heck out of all the skulls I put in there. It doesn't take them very long, and it's a lot of fun. But you got to maintain them is the only difference. So anyway, go look them up on YouTube.